Ngachathwa ngeboza mina. Ngizophumelela mina, ngibe umanqoba mina. Bangithandazela mina. Bangivulela indlela mina.
Luphomlo zazi.
Ngiyakhasimula.
Kancumanga.
Luphomlo zazi.
It's graduation day. Saturday, and I haven't done my nails. I haven't done my lashes. I haven't done my hair. Today I have an appointment for doing my hair. I'm going to change it up for this year. I don't want to install. I don't want installation because I did one last year, and also I just don't want too much like maintenance after grad. So I just chose something a bit simple, but also like just extra, you know. And as you can see, my skin on this side is not that good, but I've bought some skincare and it is working out. Get ready for my hair appointment. And my hair was not done. I cannot find the vibe I wanted. It's 4 a.m. and I have to wake up so that I can go to do my hair appointment. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. But at least my skin is getting better, as you can see. I love it. I would hate wasting my money if only I knew that this place was close to campus. Like I could have walked instead of just bolting. But anyways, Chris was so gentle. The whole process was so smooth, and he gave me exactly what I wanted. I have no complaints. You can search beauty basics on Instagram and TikTok and you will see. Or if you want, you can take this number and then you can just text. He definitely will answer you.
My head is splitting, man!
Sorry.
Oh, God, what kind of sudden headache is this?
Sorry.
Namhlanje njena ibhasi ingomso. Please send a message. Ibhasi iyadlika. And right now isizwe sami sixhuzela. Yey, ndibila ngaphakathi. Oh. I'm not gonna mention names, but I couldn't take a reliable bus because now it did not have the time I wanted. I wanted my mom to leave 5 p.m. or 5:30 so that I was nalapha afike at least 5 a.m. or 5:30 a.m. so that I have time until 8. Because with 8 fingers back, it's yours. Congratulations. Yeah. Don't lose that receipt because that's what you're going to use to get 300 back. Just after collecting my grad attire, I had to quickly rush to Milton to buy the hairpiece I wanted. Thanks to the girl that did my hair. She did it even though it was late, and we finished around 11 p.m. I looked so hot, and finally I was so happy and excited for grad because I was crying for like the whole 3 days, stressing out. It's graduation day. I'm so happy. I am so excited. I'm just so happy, man. I'm just so happy. So right now I am so late. It's literally 8:30 and I'm running. What?
Yes. 12, 12, 12, 12, 12. Yes.
Kang umanga.
Daddy's family. Oh, sana. Was called or Chinese or Hutu. Yeah, I'm with. I imagine. I grad. Since I graduated. Before my mom leaves to go back to Eastern Cape, we went to Spare. I love me some Spare meal. And one thing about me, I like my burger with no garnish and a plain bun. So, you know, the empty plate is all mine. So split it without ordering a waffle. I love me a waffle.
I was like, it's about to go down.
Stick rice too. Then put in customize the diagram.
Let's go to the second location. We had so much fun. We had so much fun.
100. How much was it?
Cubana chum. You have to request it. That's too much. No, it's fine. That's too much, chum. No request at all. Yeah. We are risking our life driving with a stranger. Why do you like?
What's wrong with you? No, they are my bosses.
Oh, but oh my god. Second location. We're going to the second location.
Guys,
Yes.
guys said
We are not girls, we have names.
Abesidrayiva nabo basalela abawini izindlu bakhathele yothi izindlu yithi laba amabhozi yithi amabhozi